Hello everyone, let's solve the question 16 of GATE paper CS1 2025. Identify the one correct option matching between the OSI layer and the corresponding functionalities. Before solving that question, let's understand what an OSI model is. So OSI model is Open System Intercommunication Model. It is a conceptual framework to understand how data moves through the different layers of a network. So it is like sending a letter through a postal service. Each layer plays its role, playing to making sure that the message reaches the proper receiver from the particular sender. So there are total seven layers. First one is the physical layer. It manages the raw data. Okay, like it helps the data to move from like over the wire, raw bits of data, zeros and ones, and it helps it move over a wire in form of signals. And after that it comes a data linking layer. So what does data link layer? Like those bits of data which you get no, like from the physical layer which was moving, uh, what happens is it packs those bits of data into frames. It handles its framing and it checks whether there is an error or not, and appropriate MAC addressing is also addressed. Okay, after that it comes a network layer which routes the data between devices across networks. Okay. And for that, Internet Protocol helps in that. After that, uh, it basically handles communication. Okay. So there are TCP and UDP, User Datagram Protocol, and there is a session layer. So session layer actually manages sessions or connections, and there are various kind of sessions like when you log in an email, so there is a login session which is created. When you send an API request, an API request session has been generated. After that there is a presentation layer. So what does the presentation layer do? It transcripts and it encrypts and it actually compress the data, and it like JPEG format of the image, like data format conversions, like SSL data format. And there is an application layer. It like it provides services to the user, like so what is an application? Just like this browser Google Chrome right now which is open in front of you, and it the services which it can provide, like HTTPS, file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol. Now let's try to solve this particular question. So what are the prerequisites? We need to know what each layer does in the OSI model. So here you can see that we are talking about network layer, we are talking about transport layer, we are talking about data linking layer. Okay. So data link layer does the framing and error handling, and transport layer actually net. So let's first talk about the network layer. Network layer basically talks about the package routing. As mentioned, like over the network, it helps routing of the packages of data. So packet routing, not package routing, packet routing. Okay. It across the network, how the packets are routed over devices across different networks. That's what the network layer takes care for. Transport layer, like you can see the name trans, it works in communication from one host to another host. How we will transport it. So transport layer does that. So A with one, B with three, and C with two. So A with one, B with three, C with two. So option B is the correct option. Network layer is used for packet routing, not packet, sorry. Transport layer is for host to host communication, and data linking layer is for framing of data, like bits of that raw data into frames, and it actually does error detection as well. So option B is the right answer. That's it for this particular video. Till then, take care. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.